There are lots subscribers are asking me about the Google data. What is Google data and how can they download their important Google data from their Google account? Or how can they access their Google data before deleting their Google account permanently? Using this method, you can also download your important Google data from your Google account. And basically, lots users using this method to download their Google data before deleting their Google account. So if you want to also know about that, or if you are also interested on this topic, you may watch this video until the last. Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh Rai. If you are new in my YouTube channel, to be connected with me, do subscribe. And if you get some new ideas, or if you get some new contents, or if you get some new knowledge from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more this kind of contents on this YouTube channel. And please tell me which part did you like in the comment box, and I'll read your all the comments. And share this video who are searching this kind of contents or who really need this video. Please share this video to them. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial.
So guys, welcome back to my computer screen. So first of all, you have to log in inside your Google account, but in this time I have already logged in, that's why I'm not logging in. But if you have not logged in, just go to in the gmail.com and you can log in from there. So after logging in this, you have to type myaccount.google.com, then press enter. After pressing the enter button, just you have to click in the data personalization and just click there. And after clicking there, now you can see here there are lots options available, and you have to click in the download your data. This is the first option. If you click here, it will take little bit time, and you can select what kind of data you want to export, or what kind of your data you want to download. So now you can see here there is a Google Drive also available, and there is a Google Photos also available. And if you don't want to download that data, just uncheck it and it will not be downloaded. Okay, or you can go here also, just wait for a moment, just click here and just click in the delete services or your account. And after this, just click in the download your data, and here is a link available, export your data. And after clicking here, you can download your different kind of your data. Okay, this is the same window like before, and from here just click in the next step. After here, just you can check the frequency from here. If you want to export the only one time, then just choose this one. Or you want to export every 2 months for a year, you can use this one. But it's okay for me. And you can choose the zip format or TGS format. There is a two format available, and you can set how many GB you want to download. You can set the file type and the size here, and just click in the create export. So using this method, you can download your Google account important data, such as the Google Drive data, Google Photos data, or important email. Lots things you can download from here.
There are lots multiple reasons. Due to this kind of multiple reasons, we need to delete our Google account permanently. So if you are also interested what kind of multiple reasons or why we need to delete our Google account permanently, then tell me in the comment box. I'll make a separate video for you only. So if you are new in my YouTube channel and to be connected with me, do subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you get some new ideas or if you learn something from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make this kind of contents in my YouTube channel. And please share this video to them who are searching this kind of contents. So I'll come back with another new videos. Until that time, goodbye. See you again.